Let's learn the alphabet. Are you ready to see all the letters? Let's go! A is for apple. Apples are red, crunchy, and very sweet to eat. B is for ball. You can bounce a ball or kick it to play games. C is for cat. Cats are soft, furry pets that say meow. D is for dog. Dogs are playful friends that love to bark and run. E is for elephant. They are very big and have long trunks. F is for fish. Fish live in the water and know how to swim. G is for goat. Goats have horns and love to climb on rocks. H is for hat. You wear a hat on your head to stay warm. I is for ice cream. It is a cold and yummy treat for summer. J is for jug. We use a jug to pour water or fresh juice. K is for kite. Kites fly high in the sky on windy days. L is for lion. Lions are strong, proud, and have a very loud roar. M is for monkey. Monkeys are silly and love to swing from trees. N is for nest. Birds build nests to keep their eggs safe and warm. O is for orange. Oranges are round, juicy, and good for your health. P is for parrot. Parrots are colorful birds that can copy what you say. Q is for queen. A queen wears a crown and lives in a castle. R is for rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and hop very fast. S is for sun. The sun is hot, bright, and lights up the day. T is for tree. Trees are tall plants with green leaves and branches. U is for umbrella. Open it up to stay dry when it rains outside. V is for van. A van is a big vehicle that drives on the road. W is for watch. Wear a watch on your wrist to tell the time. X is for xylophone. You hit the bars to make beautiful music sounds. Y is for yak. Yaks are big furry animals that live in cold mountains. Z is for zebra. Zebras look like horses with black and white stripes. Great job! You learned the whole alphabet. See you next time.